Hi! Good morning! My name is Aurelia Requinto at isa po akong internet marketer. Hirap ka ba sa MLM business mo? May magandang balita ako sa iyo. I discovered a system. I can't believe it's so easy to generate income through Facebook marketing. You can learn how to master online business the legal and ethical way. Ganito ang pag-market ko sa Facebook dati. Magtag ng ads sa halos lahat ng friends ko. So unethical pala. Mag-pitch ng product opportunity at company ko. Kumausap sa mga friends na naka-online about my offer. Tagta rin ng ad post ang aking timeline. Pumasok sa wall ng iba ng walang permiso at marami pang iba. And the result, mukha na pala akong spammer at visit na si Facebook sa akin. At twice na naban ang account ko. Are you serious to do internet marketing business for long-term purposes? If so, you need this system. Una, nakita ko lang din ito sa internet. Ito ay isang educational system na nagtuturo kung paano mag-market sa internet ng tama. Ikalawa, nag-sign up agad ako kasi nakita ko na ito talaga ang kailangan ko. Inaral ko siyang mabuti at ini-apply. Ikatlo, meron itong built-in na income-proven system na pwede mo ring magamit. Ikaapat, ngayon, dalawa na ang source of income ko, ang system na ito at ang dating MLM ko. And you can have this also. I have a partial list of system user and how they are satisfied. Sabi ni TP Valdez, thank you very much Ignition Marketing. From 0 to 220,400. Yan ang kinita ko sa Ignition Marketing Affiliate Program. Sabi naman ni Chico Pocholo Salud, it's an eye-opener for me when it comes to marketing and a good source of extra income for me. Being an affiliate of Ignition, I already earned 176,600. Thank you very much, Ignition Marketing. Sabi naman ni Raymond Gerard Tabaque, very awesome ang system na ito. Dito ako nakaranas kumita ng 5,000 a day, 24,800 in 2 months, and 18,000 in 1 month. Another, sabi naman ni Arnold Pumihi, this is the best recipe to my existing business. Perfect and amazing. Natutunan ko dito kung paano magkaroon ng attraction power na level up ang skills ko. Kung dati ay naghahabol ako, thank you on this online prosperity training, sila na po ang kusang lumalapit at nag-a-ask kung paano ang sumali. Since na inaral ko ang Ignition Marketing Principle, then I applied the strategy. And now, it's a big help to earn extra income using the internet while at home. Nagawa kang kumita ng 44,800 pesos sa looban ng 30 days. Thank you so much. And many more enjoying abundance in life, working at home. Now, it's your time to shine. Log in now to get access with the system. Enter your name and a valid address. See you there.